Today we're gonna bring a dolly. This dolly, I'm gonna compare it with the Rhino I have, all right? Now this dolly, it stretches a little longer. It has brakes on one side. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels, heavy duty wheels, all right? You can spin it. You can spin it any direction you want on this one. If you want, you can put your brakes on it. You can make it larger, slim it down. Heavy duty that you could take it anywhere for job sites, moving places, moving equipment, construction. On top of that, very simple to stretch out as much as you want. It has these lock nuts right here. All you got to do is unscrew them and set them up. Here we have a Rhino one, all right? Only one direction. You can't go forward and back. In order to do that, you gotta have to kick it, and you might drop the boxes on here. So there's only one rotation, backwards and forward on the Rhino, all right? Now, if you're gonna use this on the hill, there is no brakes on this one compared to the other one. Now let's load this stuff over to this one, and you're gonna see the amount of weight that this can carry, plus the mobility on this thing. Now this is the Rhino. Now it's a little lighter, but it could carry less load on this one. It's not rotationable. There is no brakes on this one when there's brakes on this one. This one stretches as much as this one too. So if you're gonna look for a great dolly, highly recommend you getting one of these for the great load that you can do.